Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast that helps you get closer to fluency every day through daily episodes. Today, we will help you make requests like a native English speaker. David, today, I really want to practice ordering food in English. Every time I travel, I feel nervous in restaurants.
That's very common, Clara. But don't worry. Today we'll practice step by step, and by the end you'll sound just like a local.
Great.
Let's start with the very beginning. What happens when I walk into a restaurant?
Usually the host or waiter asks, "How many people?" or "How many in your party?"
If I'm alone, I say, "Just one, please." And if I'm with a friend, "A table for two, please."
Exactly. Let's practice together. Repeat with me. "A table for one, please."
A table for one, please.
"A table for two, please."
A table for two, please.
"A table for four, please."
A table for four, please.
Perfect. You already sound confident.
Okay, now I'm sitting at the table. What comes next?
The waiter usually gives you the menu and asks, "Can I get you something to drink?"
I can say, "Yes, I'd like some water, please."
Excellent. Or, "I'll have an iced tea."
I'll have a coffee, please.
Great. Let's try some variations. Say, "I'd like a lemonade."
I'd like a lemonade.
"I'll have an orange juice."
I'll have an orange juice.
"Could I get a glass of sparkling water?"
Could I get a glass of sparkling water?
Perfect. These are very natural.
After drinks, it's time to order food, right?
Yes. The waiter may ask, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "What can I get for you?"
I can answer, "Yes, I'd like the chicken salad."
Very good. Or, "I'll have the pasta, please."
I'll have the pasta, please.
Exactly. Let's practice more dishes.
I'd like the grilled fish, please.
"I'll have the cheeseburger."
I'd like the vegetable soup.
"I'll have the steak medium rare."
I'd like the sushi platter, please.
Excellent. You're getting fluent with this structure.
What if I need to ask about the food? For example, ingredients?
Great question. You can say, "Excuse me, does this dish contain peanuts?" Or, "Is this vegetarian?"
Does this dish contain peanuts?
"Is this gluten-free?"
Is this gluten-free?
"I'm allergic to seafood. Is this safe for me?"
I'm allergic to seafood. Is this safe for me?
Perfect. These phrases are essential.
Okay, let's practice a cafe situation.
Sure. I'll be the barista. "Hi, what can I get for you?"
Hi, what can I get for you?
"What size? Small, medium, or large?" "Medium, please."
Yes, I'll have a blueberry muffin.
Great. That will be $5.
That was simple.
Yes. Just remember, "I'd like" and "I'll have."
What about fast food?
At fast food restaurants, the cashier usually says, "Can I take your order?"
I can say, "Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger combo, please."
Good. Then they may ask, "Would you like to make it large?"
Yes, please.
And then, "For here or to go?"
To go, please.
Perfect. Let's repeat the whole dialogue. "Hi, can I take your order?"
Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger combo, please.
"Would you like to make it large?"
Yes, please.
"For here or to go?"
To go, please.
Excellent. Very natural.
Sometimes I need more time to read the menu.
Then say, "Can we have a few more minutes, please?" Or, "I'm not ready yet."
Can we have a few more minutes, please?
"I'm not ready yet."
Great.
That's useful.
Now let's practice a more formal restaurant. The waiter might say, "Would you like to see the wine list?"
I can reply, "Yes, I'd love to see it." Or no, thank you. Just water for me.
Exactly. Another common phrase, "Can I recommend today's special?"
Yes, please. What is today's special?
Perfect. Now, after finishing your meal, you need the bill. In American English, "Can I get the check, please?" In British English, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Can I get the check, please? Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent.
What if I want to split the bill with friends?
Then say, "Can we split the bill?" Or, "Can we pay separately?"
Can we split the bill? Can we pay separately?
Perfect.
And if the food is wrong?
Be polite. Say, Excuse me, I'm sorry, but this is not what I ordered. Or excuse me, this soup is cold.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, but this is not what I ordered.
Excuse me, this soup is cold.
That sounds polite and respectful.
Exactly. That's how locals do it.
David, can we do more practice with different foods?
Absolutely. Let's take turns.
I'd like the chicken curry, please.
I'll have the beef tacos.
Can I get a slice of chocolate cake?
I'd like a cup of tea, please.
I'll have a lemonade.
Can I get the vegetarian pizza?
This repetition is very helpful.
Yes. Repetition makes it automatic.
Can we do a little quiz? You ask me, and I try to answer.
Great idea. Okay, I'm the waiter. What can I get you to drink?
I'd like an orange juice, please.
Perfect. Next. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the pasta, please.
Excellent. Next. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. You're doing great.
David, can we practice more specific situations? Like ordering breakfast in English?
Of course. Imagine you're in a diner in the US. The waiter asks, "What can I get you for breakfast?"
I can say, I'd like scrambled eggs with toast, please.
Perfect. Or, "I'll have pancakes with maple syrup."
I'll have pancakes with maple syrup.
Great. Let's add drinks. Say, "I'd like a cup of black coffee."
I'd like a cup of black coffee.
Can I get a glass of orange juice?
Can I get a glass of orange juice?
Excellent. Now let's expand.
Okay, how about lunch in a casual cafe?
Sure. The waiter might say, "Do you know what you'd like?"
Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich with fries.
Great. And if you want to change something, you can say, "Can I have the salad instead of fries?"
Can I have the salad instead of fries?
Exactly. Or, "Could you make that without cheese, please?"
Could you make that without cheese, please?
Perfect.
What about dessert?
Easy. The waiter may ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
Yes, please.
Then you can say, "I'd like a slice of cheesecake."
I'd like a slice of cheesecake.
Or, "I'll have the ice cream sundae."
I'll have the ice cream sundae.
Excellent.
Can we try an international restaurant, like Italian or Japanese?
Sure. Let's do Italian first. The waiter might say, "What would you like for your main course?"
I'd like the spaghetti carbonara.
Perfect. Or, "I'll have the lasagna."
I'll have the lasagna.
And don't forget polite phrases. "That sounds delicious."
That sounds delicious.
Now, Japanese. You can say, "I'd like the sushi platter, please."
I'd like the sushi platter, please.
Or, "I'll have the miso soup and tempura."
I'll have the miso soup and tempura.
Excellent.
What about making a reservation?
Good one. On the phone, you say, "Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 at 7 p.m.
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 at 7 p.m.
Perfect. Or, "Do you have any tables available for 4 this Friday?"
Do you have any tables available for 4 this Friday?
Excellent.
And when the food is really good, how can I compliment it?
You can say, "This is delicious," or "The food is amazing."
This is delicious. The food is amazing.
Perfect. Another one. "My compliments to the chef."
My compliments to the chef.
Very polite.
What about tipping?
In the US, it's common to leave 15 to 20%. You can say to the waiter, "Keep the change,"
Keep the change.
or just leave the money on the table. In the UK, service is sometimes included. You can ask, "Is service included?"
Is service included?
Exactly.
Can we practice a complete dinner from start to finish?
Yes, let's role play. Good evening. How many in your party?
A table for 2, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of red wine, please.
Certainly. Are you ready to order?
I'll have the grilled salmon with vegetables.
And for you?
I'll take the steak, medium rare.
Excellent. Would you like any appetizers?
Yes, we'll share the bruschetta.
Perfect. I'll bring your drinks right away.
That felt so real.
Yes, that's exactly how it happens.
Can we do a mini quiz again?
Sure. I'll ask you questions. Ready? Can I take your order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken salad, please.
For here or to go.
For here, please.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, I'd like a slice of chocolate cake.
Excellent.
I feel much more confident now.
That's the goal. Ordering food in English is not difficult. Just remember these key phrases. I like. I'll have. Can I get? For here or to go. Can I get the check, please?
Yes, and also, a table for two, please. Can we have a few more minutes? Could you make that without cheese?
Perfect. If you repeat these daily, you'll never feel nervous again.
Thank you, David. Next time we meet, let's practice ordering in a hotel or at the airport.
Great idea, Clara. For now, enjoy your new confidence at restaurants.
I will. And to everyone listening, remember, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Thank you to all the listeners, and see you next episode.